Can you get a what?
Can I get a cheeseburger with...
Okay, goodbye.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's SRT Aidann and I'm back here with another banger. In today's video, we're just gonna be doing another calm little POV drive on the highway, but I do got some stuff for y'all that I'm gonna be making soon. I know I keep saying it, but I got a whole bunch of ideas that I just made today, and I'm gonna get some of them filmed tonight along with this video. So I'm gonna have a couple videos gonna be uploaded like one after another, probably not day after day, but maybe like a day or two after. But I'm gonna record them tonight, so y'all will definitely have those videos. I'm not slacking on this one, y'all. But anyways, let's get into the video, because I got this shit down to fucking prop up light and shit, and I'm about to fucking wreck this hose. So those bitches off and get right into this shit. So I heard this new shit. If y'all want to go try it for yourselves, my headlights were a little bit yellow, and I know you can just get shit to clear your fucking headlights and whatnot, but I was like, alright, like I saw this shit on fucking, I think it was Instagram, but I saw this shit up there. Excuse me. I saw that shit up there, and I was like, alright, let me see if this works. And it was spraying your fucking headlights with bug spray and then wiping them down. It makes all like the yellow shit like just wipe off. It's kind of scary we put that on our skin, but it basically just makes all that shit wipe off. And I was like, alright, bet, so let me try this shit. So boom, of course I tried it. It worked pretty fucking well, I'm not gonna lie. And yeah, that shit is yeah, I mean, my headlights are a lot better, so happy about that. Other than that, I haven't been doing much, but I have decided I'm gonna probably order my Z Automotive Taser tune. I think I said it in the last video, I don't know though, so I'm just gonna say it again. But I'm gonna order my Z Automotive Taser tune when I get back from Florida. I'm probably gonna order it like right before I leave, that way it can be here when I get back, and I can make a video on it. But yeah, so I think I'm not even gonna, I was gonna tell y'all like the ideas I got for some videos, but I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. But we're just gonna drive for a little bit, y'all. I hope that you fuck with the video. I hope that y'all are ready to watch this shit. I hope that y'all have been excited for a new video to come out. I know it's nothing crazy, and I'm sorry for that, but it's hard to make time to do crazy shit. I don't really got like the money to be driving all over the place, especially not in this car, because this shit takes so much gas. So it's kind of like hard, but let's get into this shit. What'd he say? What'd he say? Left pocket got, right pocket got blues in it. Plus in the packs to me, I know what to do with it. I'm Mr. Pot Scraper. This song is so funny. Shout out to my boy Riley Cook. I know you watch my videos. You put me onto that shit. Real talk. Alright, let's get into this for real. It's been so long, and y'all, I'm gonna be real with you. I came a long way from what I used to do on YouTube. I mean, I made the same type of videos, you know, like I do now, but a lot different. I ain't really talk much. I mean, y'all could go back. I mean, they're not on my channel no more, because they were a lot more intense with the driving, a lot less intense with the talking. And honestly, I like these better. I have a bunch of people. I mean, I've had a couple people hit me up on Instagram and like tell me to keep going with my you know, my YouTube channel. I've had a couple people comment on my stuff. It's just like nice to see that people actually enjoy my content and whatnot. So I appreciate every one of you that does all that, comments, likes, just supports me in general. Everyone who subscribed. I'm excited to go to Florida and get some of these videos for y'all, because I think that's gonna be a good opportunity for me to get some videos done. I'm gonna be with my friends, so I'll have stuff to do. I might even run up a prank video, who knows. I'm gonna have a video, I mean, I'm thinking about starting a smoking channel, but I might wait off a little bit longer on that one. And then I'm thinking about, or I have a vlog channel, a reaction channel. I probably won't be posting nothing on my reaction channel, because I'm not gonna have time. I'm not gonna have time to be reacting to all these people, you know what I mean? I'm gonna be doing stuff, living my own life. It's gonna be a vacation, but I am still gonna work for y'all because it's kind of like more time than I get when I'm actually at work. So I'm definitely gonna make at least 2 vlog videos, and I'm gonna pump out an SRT Aidann video. I might not even really be driving, but I mean, I'm gonna figure something out. I also know of a content creator down there. If y'all watch my other videos, C8 Corey, I'm gonna hit him up, see if maybe we could link up if he's close to the area where my friend's at. Figure something out. Maybe I'll go to a car meet down there. I don't know. We'll see how stuff plays out, and that's what we'll do. But I'm definitely gonna put out 2 vlog videos for sure. They might not be put out while I'm down there. I'm gonna try and have some videos to get published while I'm out there, like scheduled and whatnot. I'm gonna make a couple videos, and then they might not be any on my vlog channel because it's hard to make videos for all 3 channels, and I edit all of them myself and everything, so it's really hard, but I still do it. But I'm gonna have some videos put out on SRT Aidann for sure. I'm gonna have some scheduled ones just in case if I don't make any or don't publish any or blah 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 blah, whatever. But tired tonight, man. I'm not gonna lie. I just got out of work. It's 11 o'clock again. Y'all already know the routine. Going down to see my girl right now. I got about an hour drive to go see her. That shit sucks. But yeah, I've just been working, running up some bread. I'm about to start putting money into my car again. I just had to do a couple things, and obviously this trip, I'm saving some money for that. And I invest a lot of my money into the stock markets, which I might be making a financial channel for y'all that do fuck with me soon. As soon as I learn a little bit more about what I'm doing, you know, do this here, do that there, because I do know a lot as young as I am. I do know a lot about financial stuff, I feel like, at least. I'm not trying to be cocky, but I feel like I know a lot more than the average person about financial stuff. I just want to read maybe a couple books about it, you know, learn a little bit more before I start a channel about it, because I need to know what I'm doing, you know. I'm not just going to put myself out there and feed people with lies. I'm not into that. I'm not like, you know, I'm not doing all that. But man, I'm just like, I'm dead. I kind of want to go be a douchebag at McDonald's and just go to the drive-thru, and then when they try and fucking order my food, I'm just gonna stomp on my gas. I'm gonna do it. That'll be like the main course of the video tonight. This is kind of a random fucking event, so I'm just gonna run this shit up because fuck it. Who cares? I'm about to piss off the McDonald's workers. I'm sorry, McDonald's workers. I know this shit sucks, but it's harmless. It's harmless. It's not like I'm really fucking up their night. Trap doing somersaults. I done seen a 100 ball. Big za. We could also go spin over to the, we're gonna go spin over there. Actually, real quick before we do all that, I'm about to go spin. We're gonna go check out a couple cars, because I know they leave this shit unlocked, surprisingly. I don't know why they do, but I know they do. So we're gonna spin over here, go check out a couple cars, because honestly, I don't want to just give y'all the same shit all the time, you know what I mean? I feel like that gets boring, so let's go check out a couple nice cars in this parking lot. It looks like they got some new Jeeps. Maybe we could find one of the new Chargers, because this is a Dodge dealership, part of it. I don't know. Be able to get in them, check it out. Alright, y'all. So we got some Chargers here. Oh, there's one of the new ones. We gotta check this out. Hopefully it's unlocked. Might not be. I came here a couple of times to look at cars, so I think we should be fine. I don't know. Damn, it would be nice to have a light. Yeah, this shit is locked again. This shit is locked. Some of them aren't locked though. Like, I bet you one of these, like, boom. This shit ain't locked, because I know you could tell with a Charger. Oh, never mind, this shit is locked. I'm smoked. Maybe they did start locking this shit. Just the high-end vehicles. Let's go check out a couple more. They got some more shit down here. I think they did start locking them. We got the Hemis. These are nice. That shit's mad nice. Let's see if this is unlocked. Probably not, gang. I don't know what. Seems like they got all these bitches locked today. I swear, you used to be able to find some that aren't locked, gang. I'm telling you, bro. I feel like y'all are gonna feel like I'm a liar. I love these hoods. Oh my God. Bro, I love this hood. That shit goes hard. Imagine I had that on my V. Whew. That shit goes hard as hell. Look at that shit. Ooh. Shit's sexy. Alright. Let's see here. They got this Benz. It might just be the pre-owned shit that's open. So let's fuck with the Benz. Let's fuck up the Benz real quick. Fuck it. Watch the feds pull up, and then I'm fucked. Bro, they got everything locked out here, gang. It's gotta be. Oh, see? This is what I mean. They got the cheap shit unlocked. That's what it is. And sometimes you can even run up the radio in this bitch. I don't think you can in this one, but this one ain't bad. Gotta push the start. You got 2 rows of seats. I don't even know what this car is, bro. Kia something. Got da-da-da. It's kind of basic. I mean, it's just like a normal car. Normal car. Normal sedan. I'm just gonna leave my shit over there. Walk around. Just fuck all this driving shit. It's getting me nowhere. What's up with the new Jeep? That bitch is locked. That bitch is locked. Locked. Ford Fusions, those are ugly. Fuck a Ford. I don't fuck with Ford. I hope none of y'all fuck with Ford. I like the color on that car. That gray. That gunmetal gray. They got the Durango open? Nope. Of course not, bro. They don't got none of these Chargers or Dodges open. Probably because you can steal them so easy. Okay, that bitch is locked. I don't even want to be here no more. They don't got nothing good to look at. Used to be able to come up in here and open up any Dodge. I used to go in the old Chargers and sit in them. But now they don't got that because I used to want a Charger mad bad. That's what made me start this YouTube channel. If y'all don't know, I'm going to give you some backstory. Charger's my dream car. If you haven't seen my first video. Specifically a Hellcat. But a Charger works. But I used to come here and sit in them, and I'd be like, damn, imagine I had a Charger. Now, I don't have a new gen, which I like the new gens personally. Those are my favorite. But I got a Charger. It's better than no Charger. So I'm more than fucking happy with it. And I'm happy I get to make these YouTube channels, or these YouTube videos. But hold the fuck on. I know I'm not bugging unless I am. Look at the color of this car, gang. Is that just me? Like, wait, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see. That shit just looks super metallic. I don't know, it might just be the sign of the place, like the one that's behind me. That one right there. I don't know. Ah, shit. Alright. Fucking race strip. I could fucking tear up this bitch right now. I'm gonna be a good citizen. I'm not gonna do all of that. But now it's time to go to McDonald's and piss off some workers. So let's spin over there. I'm gonna catch y'all there in 3, 2, 1. Fuck, I got a broken hand. Or I did break that hand, so it's hard. But 3, 2, wait, fuck, let me do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. Alright, bet. I'm gonna catch y'all there in a minute. I think I'm just trying to decide what I should do, y'all. Trying to decide if I should just do a little, like, can I get up? And then, like, talk through it, or if I should just walk up to that bitch and when they talk to me, just rev. It's 2 windows. I'm gonna get behind this guy so nobody else is here.
Hi, can I get for you?
Can I get a...
Can you get a what?
Can I get a cheeseburger with...
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Yo! She's tight. She's all mad, bro. She's pissed. Yo. I'm sorry. I'm such a douchebag. But fuck it, dude. It's harmless. Derek, it's a harmless joke, bro. It's like, I don't know. If y'all get mad over that, I don't know what to tell you, bro. Because that shit's harmless, gang. Like, it is a bit annoying. Don't get me wrong. I'm not sitting here being like, well, I wouldn't give a fuck if that was me. No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm just like, it's harmless, bro. Like, so what? It's not like I walked in there and fucking threw all their fucking shit all over the place and then made it as a joke. Like, it's just a joke. She was mad. She was like, goodbye, good night, goodbye, good night. Okay, goodbye. Thought she could hang up the call. I could have sat there all night and revved my shit. She would have been pissed. I bet her fucking ears hurt a little bit though. Oh, fuck. I think I'm... Oh, no, I am going this way. Alright, bet. Alright, y'all. We're gonna get back on the highway. That was probably most of the video, though. I'm probably not even gonna do the rest of the highway POV, because that's not even really what this video is about anymore. It's just a little chill type video. But I told y'all I am gonna record those other videos tonight. So I'm gonna spin those through. I'm gonna try doing a little bit of those after I end this one up. And, yeah. That's about it for this video, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed. I hope that y'all fuck with me. I hope that y'all fuck with the video. And I hope that y'all are gonna tap in for my next video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and comment. Put post notifications on to make sure you don't miss out on a video. And with that being said, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace out, gang.